Heavyweight.
It's coming. It's saying holding group.
No, I'm holding it on the way here.
It's coming.
It's right behind us.
Just go and check. Yes.
Where are you? No, no, no.
So, just come. You see, you can see this next to me.
So it's a little bit.
Yes.